I used to think I've come a long way, only to find it's a wrong way. But then I acknowledge that after the schooling, because even after school, I still want to be a star, and I would say I was delusional in a way with a high talent. What you just mentioned, it's not that. It's the business. That's the thing, the business. So I forgave myself because nami ngisho nje ngiwela kuleyo list oyishoyo ukuthi I did everything I was told or I saw ukuthi you have to do this until you get into certain rooms. And oh, it's not about the talent there. Bro, like this thing it's deep. It goes as far as any like even non music fans now it's out there. Amapayola and everything. It's not the talent. Our music gets there. The radios, you- our music gets to TV music videos. It's here. And I'm not gonna hide it because it's out there. So some people I would get people saying, maybe I'll push it enough is I'm like, dog, do you know where I've been? Do you know the responses, the feedback I've got besides my email because they wouldn't type that obviously it's on record. These are my emails like hi, I hope you're well, sorry to let you know, keep on trying submitting. That's what you're gonna get, and it's automated ne my
Yeah,
emails
yeah.
because you'll realize last year I sent it to same response. Oh, nina change ne grammar yenu kanti what's happening. Go there, go knock, go to the stations, ask for the compiler. Angeke umbone whatever. Try to figure your way out. You'll figure lapho. Now I was told there was a song of mine, Peltus. I released Peltusi before MT. Do you know MT Peltusi?
Yeah, I do.
It's on record. It's online. Even the release dates, everything is there. I lala nje peacefully ngazuthi umuntu mayaqala hang it. Peltus was pushing my song. Even last year, that video resurfaced. But guess what happened with that? The song played on Metro FM. I didn't even submit. Oh no, we did send CDs, but we didn't know which is of a Metro FM. People are calling me in the morning. Hey, Mfethu, noma kuthiwani? Le voice yakhe, le ngoma yakho phela it was out online. Yeah, Glenn Lewis and Unathi were playing it. For real? Yeah. Drove. Same time with the guy I was working with. Went to SABC. Mfethu, compiler, hey, we heard our song like this. They're like, we don't know. Then this guy is moving the line.
Yeah.
Somebody said, yeah, idlalile, and we saw the CD. They found the CD in the studio. Ukuthi kanjani? Nababazi. Yeah, uGlenn uthi they just found the CD and there's a whole Peltusi thing going on. You know what that guy said? Like, so it's playlisted. Siyabuza, it's playlisted or what? Nah, not really. It was just played by them because they saw it. It's a trend right now. Peltus, there's another guy who released. I'm like, I released first. MT came after me. Oh, you the guy? Yeah. Okay. Slickers told us about you. Oh, okay. Yeah. Peltus likes the song. Okay, cool. Is it playlisted? No, my guy. Is it playlisted? No, you'd have to follow up. Braga bolele Joe. Like, brav and me, braska. Yeah, bolele. Angiboni lutho mina. Yeah, so kere this guy is saying the one I'm working at. Aribolele braskap. Yeah, bolele.
Yeah.
Mina ngiboni lutho iside.
Oh.
Bra bezila inyembezi. I was like, so this thing, this
Shit.
money is standing between me and my big break right now. It's played.
I see what you mean.
Yeah,
brother.
so mina it's those things. That's why I was bitter. I was bitter lapho. Went through it, depression. My mom ngalona i-30K ngathi, mama ngizoduma no i-PR dinge because you are told ding i-PR, but how do you implement it and how do you execute this whole PR thing? I didn't know. I just knew PR because social media will flood you with information, but they will never flood you ngokuthi this is how you maneuver, this is how you approach people. PR ma, got a PR scammed 30K gone kama-olate. Yabona ngonde kanjani? Imagine ukonda ukudlula lokhu.
Yeah.
I feel my mom, money gone. So I learned that with okay, it's the business. And the business in Obumafia. Yeah.
What did you think PR was and what did you find out to be?
So PR, I thought PR was giving you this money. These are people you've always had relationships with. They don't charge you. or they don't charge you much, but I'm paying for all these years you invested with Lama connections. Otherwise, I'm guaranteed, because that's what we were always told. Come up here. I told PR I'm
Mm.
but awubheka ukuthi i-credible kangakanani ke yayenza bobani. I didn't look at that. Here's my
Yini
big
PR
break.
kahle kahle?
Public relations.
Public relations.
Mm.
Spokesperson is Isa
Yeah.
Matthews. They are the thing I show you.
Yeah.
There are
the-
rooms where an artist shouldn't knock at.
Yeah.
Oh,
we can't
yeah.
get
We
in.
can't
Oh, yeah.
get
We can't.
in. There's someone behind you.
There's someone who these people, they party, they club.
Mm.
It's like, you remember what I said? AKA was at my school. Nama mfika yena bekephuma. It starts there.
Mm.
If
You are
if mangisuke emakhaya ngizokwenza sound, I was westernized enough, because ukhumbule I was born in Pretoria, still young, going to Eastern Cape. Xa ndibhadla ndibhadlela emakhaya, andibhadleli ePitori. I would be playing soccer, man. That was my first love. I would be playing soccer. I went for trials with Super Sport back then. Yeah, but life changed. Structure, mama, uyalena siyale. So what happened with that? I never knew. Sikhulele emakhaya mfethu, asiyazi information, the word networking. I would have networked with AKA
Back then in school.
back then.
Mm.
Ngabe? So these people are people abasuka kuma art schools, from primary, high school in bayazana. So this person urenta i-relationship zakhe, this PR person akasuka nazo.
I
Abanye
understand.
it's like, oh, Rockets kwenzeka something like Rockets clubbing, and you go there, bamba nali ibhodlela. You know you're investing. That's the game I'm playing right now, man.
Mhm.
With now I'm like this. I had a song last year that was trending. What's that? Too Short a Rebel. I made a song about the whole Jimashego thing, and I was trending in South Africa last year. Too Short, and I was playing, by the way, rapping on piano. I don't rap on piano, and it boomed. There's a girl of an Wednesday video out of nowhere trended.
Mm.
About Too Short were approaching her, thinking it's her auntie. Oya mima my verse.
Mm.
Do you know what it was that girl's birthday this week? I was like, "Aish, mntwana lo ngambonga nje ngamagama. Ish, I'm still continuing ngale music, and I'm going to drop an album." And like, okay, think as a business person. You know what? I think it's happy birthday, Bamba Night clip. It's an investment, because I'm gonna need her to. I saw what she
Okay.
was capable of.
Okay.
Too Short a Rebel, una what is it? 300K followers on TikTok. I'm way too far. It's still 5K.
Yeah.
But this girl made me trend. If I could just, yes, inhliziyo enhle, but also ihlanganise business. Down the line, I'm dropping my single with iFunny. I want it to go viral. Who's the first person? That clipper goes a long way, because now she's not gonna charge me lama 2K charge. Even the message, yo, why you send that? No, bonga. I'll never stop thanking you. Yeah, bong.
Mm.
For what you did for me last year, when some multiple videos. Wow, guys, even shared that whole thing. You can tell Utila.